Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, we are going to talk about retinol serum, its benefits, how to use retinol serum, its side effects, and which points you should keep in mind while choosing the right retinol serum. Retinol serum is a skincare product containing retinol and vitamin A derivative. It's a popular ingredient due to its ability to promote cell turnover, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and improves skin texture and tone. First of all, we need to discuss the benefits of retinol serum. The first benefit is anti-aging. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Unclogs pores. Exfoliates and clear clogged pores, reducing acne. Fades hyperpigmentation. Reduces the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. Boosts collagen. Stimulates collagen production for plumper, more elastic skin. Enhances skin firmness. Improves skin firmness and elasticity. Minimizes pore size. Tightens pore for a refined look. Brightens skin. Even out skin tone and brightens complexion. Reduces acne. Antibacterial properties and pore unclogging abilities make it effective against acne. Improves skin tone. Reduces dullness for a more vibrant tone. How to use retinol? Before you use a retinol product for the first time, try a little bit on a small area of your skin to see if you have any negative reactions. If after a couple of days your skin patch isn't very red or itchy, you can add retinol to your skincare routine at bedtime. To use retinol, follow the instructions on the package or your provider's recommendations for application. In general, here are the steps you can take. Clean your skin with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Don't scrub your skin while using retinol products. Apply retinol in a thin layer to your entire face. Be careful not to get it in your mouth, nose, and eyes. It would help if you used a dose about the size of a pea. For the first couple weeks of treatment, apply retinol only every other day. Finish with a facial moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Start with a lower concentration, around 0.25%, and gradually increase as your skin becomes more tolerant. Apply at night, as retinol can increase sun sensitivity. Use a few drops and gently massage into the skin. Follow with a moisturizer to hydrate and soothe the skin. Be patient as retinol can take time to show its fullest effects. Side effects of retinol. Side effects from topical retinol treatment are usually temporary. They include dry, irritated skin, itching or burning, redness, peeling, flaky skin, and sunburn. These side effects gradually disappear as your skin gets used to the new treatment. Which points you should keep in mind while choosing the retinol serum? Choosing the right retinol serum can be overwhelming. Keep these points in your mind while choosing a retinol serum. Number 1. Determine your skin type. Retinol serums come in different formulations for different skin types. Look for a serum that suits your skin type. Concentration. Start with a lower concentration, around 0.25%, and gradually increase as your skin becomes more tolerant. Formulation. Choosing a serum that combines retinol with other ingredients that addresses your specific skin concerns. For example, acne, aging, and hyperpigmentation. pH level means potential hydrogen level. Opt for a serum with a pH level close to the skin's natural pH, around 5.5, to minimize irritation. Brand reputation. Choose a reputable brand with good reviews. By considering these factors, You can find a retinol serum that suits your skin type, concerns, and budget, and help you achieve your skincare goals. This is all about the retinol serum. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And for any health related question or query, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.